rang a dó, seo an obair bhaile, le haidh nocht agus dúirt mé cé go rachan mé tríd sa scoil, Tom just chun dul tríd a ríis. So, titil, féach orm, féach. Féach is always followed by orm, ort, orthaí, féach, right? So, Ibrahim is mishe trína, is ma lom breakan, tá a lon breagan a gum. So, it's gosule is mishe, do anam is fed latsa raw, it's like is mishe, mutor joan. Tosa is mishe current to the anam and sha, I am. Is matlom, tasha shin dainte gwen lads, lana lom lat lesh lehi is matlom breagan, ta a lawn, a losh, a breagan, a gum. Ivrido, fecum couple agus train, so fecum shin gachla, I'm shalorak, I see. And the I am the met, that's the maybe. Fecum couple agus train, ta na breagan on orlar. On there. Oh, fecum daddy. Agus a tree. Féach na breagan. Fecum car, ke leshe, ke shin who, ke leshe who owns it. Fecum drummer, ke leshe. So féach lads agus lassies canin agus bookly féach. Féach is always followed by on fecum tuition. Agus ifra car, fecum couple, ke leshe. Queer on train sa cofra. So sha ordu, put on train sa cofra. So se, cofra de gana is literally gan shevo. Ac no shevo shin h, ac no requirement to se, riv cofra, being shevo an. Queer on couple, on telf. On there, agus treis on being shelf de gna, tasha litra kasula shin gananti, ac no require to on plus oral. So just have connection and lever each. So sha obair bhaile le haidh nocht. Is mishe cleana, is matlum breakan, ta a lawn breakan a gum. Ivrido, fecum couple agus train, ta na breagan an orla. Oh, fecum daddy. Féach na breagan, fecum car, ke leshe. Fecum drummer, ke leshe. Fecum couple, ke leshe. Queer on train sa cofra. Queer on couple, an telf. Anna va party, ma shev, sha han obair bhaile le haidh nocht, ma shev.